here's my hair. It's here, finally. This is it straight out of the package. You're gonna see I'm gonna wash it. Just co-wash it, and then I'm gonna put some Parker J's cocoa cream, and then I'm gonna put it in my hair. And that is all. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Right now, I'm gonna jump right on into things. I am starting off with some hair from Better Length Hair. I got the 14-inch afro kinky curly. So I'm starting off with rinsing it with some almost hot water. I've learned that whenever I purchase like weaves and stuff like that, rinsing it with the hot water kind of helps eliminate the smell. So I'm doing that, and then I'm adding some Parker J's Healing Hibiscus Deep Conditioner to the hair. And I'm just gonna let it sit for about an hour. So the hair did shed quite a bit, which is to be expected because it is curly hair. But I went ahead and wet my hair. It's not shampooed or anything. I just wet it, applied some Juicy Jelly from Parker J's and some wet line gel just to my ends, not to my roots, because I don't like crispy roots when I'm doing clip-ins because I feel like it could potentially break or damage my hair. So I'm just raking all the products in, and as I go, you can just sit back and watch the rest of the video. So right here, I'm just adding a little bit more of the Juicy Jelly and the cocoa cream. I forgot to mention I added that as well. And then going in with the gel, just in case you're wondering. So after I got my hair how I wanted it, I come in with the clip-ins, and I use the one that had 3 clips first. And I kind of start a little bit higher than that back hairline because sometimes I like to pull it up and play with it. But my clip-ins are wet, and I also did leave some cocoa cream and Juicy Jelly in the clip-ins. So now I'm just kind of raking it with my hair so they can blend really well. So if you're wondering why I'm making all of these strange faces, I do apologize, but I can't hide my facial expressions. This hair was shedding a lot, and I expect curly hair to shed, but it was just like, okay, now enough is enough. Like, I need to make sure I'm getting my coins worth. So that's why I'm kind of making some faces, because every time I rake my hands through, it was a ton of hair to end up on my hands in the end. So yeah, I'm not knocking the hair. It was very soft, very easy to work with, but the shedding was driving me crazy.